G'day lovers, it's Michael from Larn. I've come far and wide to try and hunt down the winner for this gold clutch from Mowpartsoz, courtesy of George at Mowpartsoz. This is the third and final giveaway. I have come all the way to Canada to draw this clutch. So we are going to find a winner today. We are going to announce this winner as soon as it's confirmed. So final draw. And I want to also take this opportunity to announce some other winners. So we've done draw 1 and draw 2, of course. No one came forward to claim the gold clutch, but I'm very happy to announce that Philip from Queensland will be winning a $300 Mowpartsoz voucher for his efforts in not claiming his prize. So well done, Philip. The winning number for that one was 4933, of course. Second draw is Jackson from South Australia. He also wins a $300 Mowpartsoz voucher, courtesy of George. Thanks again, George, for those two. You're going to make those two guys very happy, I'm sure. And unfortunately, no gold clutch for you guys because you didn't get on it, but $300 should go a long way towards your project, so well done to you guys. Third draw is today. Now we're going to spin the wheel. We need either a 4 or a 5 to get us started. And our invoice number range is running up until about 5,400 odds, so we need either a 4 if we're in the 5s, we need a 4 for our second number at most. We are picking numbers between 0 and 9, so the full range. And just wanted to round out as well to say that George is also putting forward a $500 donation to the Beyond Blue Foundation, so good on you, George, for that. That is an amazing prize pool for you guys out there. Scott Bonnar land. So I'd now like to introduce my sister, not Mrs. Larn, I don't know what you would be, Sister Larn, over here in Canada. Again, we are at the Parliament buildings here in Canada, in Ottawa. It's the Peace Tower behind us. And we are ready to get this draw going. So
here we go.
Sister Tasha has got the wheel going. Hopefully you can see that for the glare, but I don't know. We'll try and make it as legitimate as possible. We're going to draw our 4 numbers, starting with either a 5 or a 4. So let's warm up that wheel and see how we're going.
All right, here we go.
Go. Call it out when you can see it, because I don't know if the phone can see it.
Ooh, we're at 7.
7. All right. We'll wait for the thing, and then we will go again.
All right.
She's a natural on camera, isn't she? Do you like lawnmowers?
Shall I answer that or no?
Spin it again.
Spinning again. Here we go.
So that was a 7. No good for 7s. We need either a 4 or a 5 to get us started.
And we're at an 8.
At an 8. All right. Incremental progress.
Try again.
Spin it again.
Here we go. Spin number 3.
Got a bit of lawn behind us. I thought it was going to be looking a little bit nicer for you guys as a backdrop, but it'll do. It's green at least, I guess. It's summertime over here in Canada. What have we got?
A 2.
2. All right. It's going to make us work for it today. Go again when you can.
Go.
Don't have quite the same technology we do back in Australia, so.
Oh, this is looking good.
What have we got?
4.
Ooh, 4, 5?
4? I think it's a 5.
It's a little bit squirrely, this wheel. So
it's a 5.
It's a 5.
It's a 5.
All right, let me write that down. You hold that. You can write that.
Okay.
So our first number today is 5 to get us started. So we've got 5, and like I said, our number range now is between 0 and 4. So spin that wheel again. We'll see if we can get a second number up here. Madam. Exciting, guys. This is the third and final draw. We're not going to draw this one again. And whoever wins this one, you will be contacted, and you will be taking home the gold clutch.
That looks like a 2.
It's a 2.
2.
Here's the note. So 5 and 2. It's heating up. I think that's a... Can we see that? Yeah.
Oh, spinning again.
Spinning again. Okay, cool. All the way to Canada, guys, to do this for you. So, you know, subscribe, claim your prizes and stuff like that, because we want to give stuff away to you. Just need to get on it.
Number 7.
7. So what's that? 5.
2.
5, 2, 7. From halfway around the world. The things I do for you guys. Hey, subscribe to the channel at the very least and support me.
All right, 2 more to go.
Last one.
Last one.
So 5, 2, 7, and lucky last. What's it going to be? Someone's getting excited out there now. What have we got?
It looks like a 5.
5.
Oh, wait, we're right on the line. Hold on.
Hang on. It's a...
It's a 6.
Hang on. Show us the screen. It's a 6.
It's a 6.
Cool.
All right.
What do we got?
5, 2, 7, 6.
Well done. Well done, someone. I don't know who you are. We'll get in touch with George now and check that that is a valid invoice number, and then George will be in touch to get the gold clutch off to you. It's over with him at the moment. So congratulations, guys. Thanks for joining me on this little road trip to Canada. We'll be back in Australia before long and back to our regularly scheduled content. But for now, thanks for participating in the draw, and well done to everyone who's taken home some booty today. And we will see you on my return to Australia. Do you want to say goodbye?
Bye, everybody.
Bye, everybody. Bye, lovers. Catch you around. Subscribe. Guys, I forgot to mention it, but if you aren't one of today's lucky winners, you are still entitled to 10% off when you check out at mowpartsoz.com.au. I'll put the discount code on the screen, and that will save you 10% off your billet clutch kits, thrust pads, clutch cones, and drive shafts at mowpartsoz.com.au. All courtesy of George over at Mowpartsoz. Thanks, George.